Look at the sweet baby.
Alright.
Get the baby. Elise. Elise. Love the baby. Love the baby. Love the baby.
Look at the size of this churro. And over there, there's a lake filled entirely with
Look. Aww. Elise. Aww. Where's the Where's the baby? Where'd the baby go? There's that sweet baby. Oh.
Is that gonna be a problem?
Oh.
Do you guys have any idea when the black guy's coming down because he has the car keys?
Oh. You gonna love the little girl? You gonna love the little girl? Oh. Where's the baby? There you go.
Let's put the baby back in.
Get the baby out.
Lloyd, you're an ambulance driver now?
That's right.
Get the baby.
I'm an Andy. EMT. Emergency something something.
Oh, yeah. So how does it compare to delivering packages?
Is it, bro? Shouldn't I write it back with my fingers?
Get the baby. There's the baby. Oh. Oh. Look at that sweet little baby. Oh.
She threw that baby down.
Slide. It's a slide. Okay.
Just leave her alone for a minute. Let her see what she does.
Trying to get the baby again. Oh. She doesn't care for the dollhouse. She just likes all the little accessories.
Well, at this point, she doesn't really.
Oh, you have two babies. You got two?
Trying to put them both
You
in
have
one
two
hand.
babies? Oh, get the baby. She's like, hello? What?